He walks to the station. He walks to the station. He reads before sleeping. He reads before sleeping. He calls his friend daily. He calls his friend daily. He wears a red cap. He wears a red cap. He fixes things at home. He fixes things at home. He enjoys spicy street food. He enjoys spicy street food. He likes morning fresh air. He likes morning fresh air. He rides a blue bicycle. He rides a blue bicycle. He draws pictures for fun. He draws pictures for fun. They takes care of plants. They takes care of plants. She drinks juice every morning. She drinks juice every morning. She writes in her notebook. She writes in her notebook. She cleans the kitchen daily. She cleans the kitchen daily. She opens the shop early. She opens the shop early. She takes notes in class. She takes notes in class. She wears gold hoop earrings. She wears gold hoop earrings. She paints flowers on walls. She paints flowers on walls. She plays with her cat. She plays with her cat. She bakes bread every weekend. She bakes bread every weekend. They read books after lunch. They read books after lunch. They travel by local bus. They travel by local bus. He bring gifts for friends. He bring gifts for friends. They enjoy cold winter mornings. They enjoy cold winter mornings. They visit new places often. They visit new places often. They wear matching t-shirts today. They wear matching t-shirts today. They work together on projects. They work together on projects. They clean their room quickly. They clean their room quickly. They cook food on Sundays. They cook food on Sundays. They laugh at silly jokes. They laugh at silly jokes. He eats dinner at 9. He eats dinner at 9. She closes the window slowly. She closes the window slowly. They wait outside the shop. They wait outside the shop. He drinks water after running. He drinks water after running. She feeds the street cats. She feeds the street cats. They watch birds in trees. They watch birds in trees. He plays games with cousins. He plays games with cousins. She keeps her desk tidy. She keeps her desk tidy. They ride bicycles to school. They ride bicycles to school. She tells funny bedtime stories. She tells funny bedtime stories. He buys bread from the bakery. He buys bread from the bakery. They sing songs at night. They sing songs at night. He checks the car tires. He checks the car tires. They sweeps the floor daily. They sweeps the floor daily. They eat together every evening. They eat together every evening. He visits the park. He visits the park. She cuts vegetables for dinner. She cuts vegetables for dinner. She opens the gift slowly. She opens the gift slowly. He picks flowers from the garden. He picks flowers from the garden. She digs a hole in the ground. She digs a hole in the ground.